Hey barbecue family, welcome back to the Backyard SmokeMaster BBQ channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is something that is really ideal for a really fast, quick, healthy meal. Something you can do on a weeknight when you don't have much time. Maybe you've been working all day and you need to do something really quick. This is the perfect solution. What I have here is a nice fillet of halibut. I went ahead and separated these two pieces because this part is much thicker than this here. I think they're gonna cook at a different pace, so I thought it'd be easier to manage that by separating the two. I'm keeping it very simple. This recipe will also work well with other whitefish like catfish. It's really good. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a coating with some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm just gonna get some lemon pepper on both sides. Now this already has some salt in it, so I'm just being cognizant of that because the other rub that I'm going to use also has salt, so I don't want to go too heavy with either one. For the second rub, I'm going with Killer Hogs BBQ Hot BBQ rub. This will give it a nice pop of color as well as a little bit of heat that really goes well with that lemon pepper. You don't have to use these exact same rubs. It's really just the process. Go with whatever. If you have a favorite rub that goes well with fish, with white fish, go with it. Give it a nice pat. And then I'm gonna flip these over and do the other side. Lemon pepper, followed by the hot barbecue rub. Today I'm gonna do this cook on one of my pellet grills. I'm using my Z-Grill's Backyard Warrior. When I do fish outside, I like using a pellet grill because it's easy to get the temperature to where I want it to be, and the pellet grill will hold the temperature within 15-20 degrees of where I want it. Fish generally cooks much faster than your other protein, so this is not going to be a long cook. I'm set it to 375 degrees, so I just want to get it there and then not have to worry about it. Pellet grills like the Z-Grill's Backyard Warrior is excellent for this job. To help further promote even cooking, we're gonna put these halibut fillets in my cast iron skillet here. And I should also mention that I coated the pan with a little bit of olive oil to help prevent the fillets from sticking. We've got the fish on the pellet grill, and again, I'm expecting this to cook really fast, so I'm gonna start checking the temperature after about 5 minutes. Looking for these fillets to get to 145 internal. We're at the 5-minute mark, so let's do a check. All right, the thin piece is only at 88 degrees. The thicker piece is at 75-ish. So we're gonna let this continue to go. I just wanted to check every 5 minutes because I don't want this fish to dry out. So I'm gonna get this closed back up, let it go for another 5, maybe even 10. Decided to let them go for another 10 minutes, so we're at 15 total. The little piece of fish, as I predicted, cooked way faster. It's at 168, so it's definitely done. The thicker piece coming in at 141, 140, 141. So just a couple more minutes needed for the larger piece. One of the other benefits to cooking it in the pan with the olive oil is that it does also, I think, help keep the fish a little bit moist. So I'm not too concerned that the smaller piece went well over 145. We'll give it a few more minutes and then I'll let you guys see what the final result looks like. Again, this is a really simple cook, and to recap what we did, just took a nice fillet of halibut, got the base coating on with some lemon pepper, and then topped it with the hot barbecue rub from Killer Hogs. Then I got my pellet grill going, set it to medium-high heat. In this case, I set the temperature to 375 degrees. Put the fish in a cast iron skillet that's been coated with olive oil, and then I just wanted to keep a close eye on the internal temperature. Cooking it in the cast iron, I believe, helped to keep it moist, so I wasn't too concerned about that smaller piece going over 145 internal. About 17-18 minutes when that thicker piece was over 145 internal. Unlike some of your other meats, you really don't have to worry about letting your fish rest for a large amount of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a piece. I just love the color on this fish, and I just know this is going to be outstanding. It is moist, and again, this combination is great. You get that lemon pepper and a little bit of heat from the hot barbecue rub, and I love that pop of color. Now, if you don't want too much heat, of course, you can just use the regular barbecue rub. Either one, they both go great with the lemon pepper on fish like halibut, like catfish. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you for tuning in to the Backyard SmokeMaster BBQ channel. This is Kenyatta Robinson. Get out there, enjoy your grills and smokers, and I'll see you in the next one.